Now students, open page number 19. Abuse and misuse. However, science and technology is a double-edged sword. It can bring about negative effects as well. The generation of electricity using fossil fuels, for example, can lead to pollution, which can cause harm to human beings and the environment. At times, science and technology have been misused and abused by human beings. An example of abuse is the invention and use of deadly weapons which are harmful to us and the environment. We must therefore use science and technology with care and responsibility. All right, students, here they are saying that science has some benefits as well. But if we are talking about misuse or abuse of science, like what are the disadvantages of science, so we are going to discuss now. बेटा अभी मैंने पेज नंबर 18 पे आप लोगों को कुछ बेनिफिट्स बताए थे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम abuse and misuse of the science. Beta, as you all know that through electricity, okay, when we generate electricity using fossil fuels, बेटा फॉसिल फ्यूल्स के थ्रू जो हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जनरेट करते हैं, तो उससे क्या होता है कि ह्यूमन बींग्स के पे या इन्वायरमेंट पे क्या होता है बेटा, इफेक्ट आता है. क्या होता है कि पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट होता है, ओके, हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में या ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए. और वो क्या होता है बेटा, हमारे लिए हार्मफुल होता है. ऑब्वियसली इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर अस, इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी, not just our body, but it's harmful for the environment as well. All right, for environment if we are talking about, so it can not just have an impact on the human beings, but it can have an impact on the birds as well, on the animals as well. All right, but if we are talking about that if we are talking about the weapons, beta, if we are talking about those things that led us to the disadvantages of science, so we must be careful when we are looking forward them. All right, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फैक्ट्रीज कैन कॉज एयर पॉल्यूशन. बेटा फैक्ट्रीज के थ्रू एयर पॉल्यूशन कैसे हो सकता है कि अगर जो है फैक्ट्रीज के में से जो है दूसरी गैसेस प्रोड्यूस हो रही हैं, उसमें से जो है बेटा स्मोक निकल रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इट इज डूइंग, इट इज हैविंग अ एयर पॉल्यूशन अराउंड द एनवायरनमेंट. It is creating an air pollution in the environment. Now everyone, open page number 20. Limitations. In your discussion about electricity, did you find any limitations to the use of electricity? Is electricity able to provide us with enough energy so that we can turn night into day at a flick of the switch? Is it reliable, or do you experience power blackouts every now and then? Science and technology have their limitations. They cannot be used to find an answer to all our questions or solve all our problems. We can use science and technology to reduce the damage caused by natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes, but we cannot prevent them from happening. Can you give other examples to show the limitations of science and technology? Beta, here they are saying that when we are discussing about electricity, as I told you, so do we have some limitations about electricity? For example, बेटा, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की, तो क्या हम अपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए ये कर सकते हैं कि डे को नाइट में चेंज कर दें या नाइट को डे में चेंज कर दें? ऑब्वियसली वी कैन नॉट डू दैट, but we can have some limitations. For example, we can for the electricity हमें सिर्फ उतनी यूज करनी चाहिए जितनी हमें नीड है. All right, for example, if we have electricity present in our home, so we as a human being, we should not uh, waste that electricity. If we are not using the room, so we can switch off the desired light. All right. It means that science have their limitations as well. बेटा science के कुछ limitations भी होते हैं, and it's for everyone that we should have some uh, limitations. We should have some steps to take over the desired thing. All right, students, here we have completed our chapter number 1, Introduction to Science. I hope everything is clear to you all.